Hey, what's up everybody? Tom from Huge Wrangler. I'm going to do a quick review of these YOLO lights, taillights. They're LED. They call they're C-shaped design, Huge C Taillight. Haven't even put them on yet, but they do look really nice so far. I'm taking them out of the box. They nice sturdy construction. There's a lot of metal involved. They're heavier. They're a lot heavier than my old LED lights. So they seem like they're good quality. So we're going to hook them up, see how bright they are, test out all the different functions, reverse lights, see how bright that is, and running lights, and then obviously turn signals and brakes. So let's dive right into this. Love that. Really good build quality. All right, so there's no indication on the light of which is left or which is right, but I'm going to go with the fact that the bottom should be the wire should be coming out of the bottom. So I'm going to assume that this is the driver light. There's a red dot. Don't really know what that means, but let's see. So once you take your other light off, if you've never changed your lights on your Jeep before, the inside screws are actually what actually holds it in place. So these come with screws already on the outside, so you don't have to worry about those. And basically, once you disconnect your old light, which is done by just pushing the tab that's on the back here, which I'll show you right here. There's a tab right on the back. You push that down, you can pop it right out. Then what we're going to do is just reconnect the new one here. Now make sure when you order these, make sure that you specify for the US, because the European are exact opposites, and they actually sent me the European version first, and I had to exchange them for these. So you pop it in just like that, and then if you want to do a quick test just to make sure that you got a good connection, you just hold it in place there and hit your, there we go, hit your key. So I know I've got a good connection in place. Now I'm just going to screw it down. And you can just reuse the screws that you had in there before, or if they are worn out and rusted like mine were, you can get new ones. I just went to the hardware store, brought the screws in, and got the same size screws to replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in kind of loosely, just so I can make sure I get the other one in down here, line it up. Okay, and once you've got it in relatively loosely like this, there's actually hooks here. Let me take this off here so you can see a little bit better. Get a good idea here. So now right down in here, there's hooks right in here that are going to hook to the inside of the body of the frame of the vehicle. So I'm going to put those in before I do the rest of the screwing down, just to make sure that it's secured in place. Make sure you get that hooked in there like that. And now, that's nice and secure. So let's go ahead and turn these guys on. All right. That's a nice look. I like that. Let me bring this camera around to the back here. You can maybe see that a little bit better. That's a nice clean light. And you gotta hit the brakes here. All right, so to conclude, I think that these lights look really nice. They're really sharp. I can't wait to see how bright they are at night. But You get an idea how they look. Nice C-shaped design. And when they're off, they actually look really nice too, with the black. They really blend in nicely with the vehicle. So I'm gonna, try these out and see. But so far, I do like them. I think that they are a really nice build quality, and but I'm gonna put a link below if you guys want to buy some for yourself. And happy Jeeping.